MCExpress makes real-time maintenance management simple. With MCExpress, you can reduce communication gaps between your maintenance teams and other departments, eliminate inefficient paper-based systems, and reduce inconsistent or delayed data collection, leading to poor visibility and lack of information. In this video, we'll show you the process of collecting and completing a work order. When a technician logs in, they can find a new work order on the main menu. The technician can then access the information they need all from the palm of their hand, with key features such as a labor timer to accurately track wrench time, the ability to easily complete tasks and procedures, add parts directly from the inventory, and access equipment documentation such as images, diagrams, even training or how-to videos, and they can even add attachments and images directly from the field. MCExpress allows teams to review, capture, and record key maintenance information from the field in real time, providing leadership with the information needed to make informed, real-time business decisions.